All right, so one more on this, part 5. We're looking at Katana's robot. It traveled how many meters? Okay, well, we know that it went 5 meters in 1 second. Okay, just kind of going back, knowing that the first number is our x value, the second number is the y value in our coordinate pair. Okay, Everett's robot traveled 12 meters in 8 seconds. Okay, and then Monet's robot traveled 4 meters after 10 seconds. Okay, so to find our constant of proportionality, we're using this equation again. Remember, k is equal to y divided by x. All right, so if we go and we fill out this table, they use t and d again, but let's keep it consistent. Make sure we're using x and y. Okay, the constant of proportionality is k equals y divided by x. We talked about this before. And then we know that the equation is going to be y equals k times x. So these three things, you have to get familiar with all three of these. Okay, so if the first constant of proportionality is y divided by x, this is 5 divided by 1, and that equals 5. If you put this value for k into this equation, remember, you're not substituting for x or y. Those variables can change. K is not changing. So we're going to keep it constant as y equals 5x. Okay, on the next one, it's 12 divided by 8, and this equals 1.5. All right, so substituting 1.5 for k in our equation, it's y equals 1.5x. Okay, and then last one, we're doing 4. That's our y value divided by 10. That's our x value, and that comes out to 0.4. So substituting this into our value for x is good. In our value for k, the equation will be y equals 0.4x. Okay, if you notice, 5 is your largest number, then 1.5, and then 0.4 is your lowest number. Just kind of going back and taking a look at these. Okay, this would be the line, and we don't have these in color, but in the book they were in color. This one is going to be your steepest line. That's y equals 5x. All right, the next number was y equals 1.5x. That would be this line here, y equals 1.5x. And then the least steep line, okay, this is going to be represented by this lowest number. This was y equals 0.4x.